Looking to expand your product line with stunning stone-like masonry blocks? Meet Hyperpress, your trusted partner in high-pressure manufacturing. Our cutting-edge machines produce decorative blocks that combine the timeless look of natural stone with modern durability. They're incredibly quick to make, easy to assemble, and perfect for fences, pillars, and a variety of architectural accents. Every piece is precision engineered for consistent quality and remarkable strength, ensuring your customers get both beauty and reliability. Whether you're creating classic garden walls or contemporary design statements, Hyperpress technology empowers you to produce blocks that stand out in any setting. Let us help you elevate your business with innovative solutions that keep you ahead of the competition. Discover how our high-pressure equipment can transform your production process and your bottom line. Contact Hyperpress today and start building a future where style meets strength.